Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your language on Netflix on phone. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and simply need to search for the Netflix and you need to download and open Netflix. So currently you can see that I am facing an issue, that's why I'm unable to log in into my account. So I'm going to show you the method by showing you an image. So here you can see that once you are in your account, you simply need to click on account on the top of help and you can see different options. You simply need to click on language and click on change. So once you click on change, you can easily select any language and you can easily change your language on Netflix. So this is a process that you need to follow to change language on Netflix. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.